I experienced Lao culture at its fullest. Loy Krathong in Luang Prabang is an experience I'll never forget, with the full beauty of Lao traditions on display. People praying, the decorations and the ambience of the whole town just makes it a once-in-a-lifetime experience. This was an amazing evening. Enjoy.
Hey, I'm Michael, and in today's video we're going to be checking out the Loy Krathong festival in Luang Prabang. It's different from everywhere in Laos, as you can see with the beautiful candles lit behind me. Amazing. I'm going to show you a bit more as we go through. Alright, let's go. Wow, as I come through here, it is an amazing show. Like, in all of these little candle things, little lanterns, is all candles. And just seeing them being, you know, lit up from the side, it creates an amazing views. As you can see behind me, see at the side of me, this is absolutely epic. Wow. Oh, you just can't beat it, eh? Wow, this is amazing. Just check it around. It's absolutely beautiful. And this is just one of the temples in Luang Prabang. There'll be many more like this, and we'll see maybe a few in this video. But yeah, I just want to share this with you. And as you can see in this area, people are just taking photos one after the other. Oh, so beautiful to see this. Go on and on and on. Anyway, we're gonna go over to the next area and see what they got over there. It looks like they're playing games and stuff right over here. So as I come through here, to the left we have Wat Makmo. I'm gonna show you a bit more. But on the right, I've got the kids playing, got the games all over there. I'll show you them more in a minute. But yeah, the way they've set this out, the Wat Makmo, I'm gonna try to say it's beautiful. I just want to share this with you, a visual around it. All right, let's go. As per usual, they've got the local market going on, got the foods. What else they got?
Why you not take picture of Miang Kham?
Miang Kham?
Yeah.
Where's Miang Kham? Okay. I've been told also that there is some of the local Luang Prabang food, Miang Kham, right here. Okay, 5,000. Okay, gonna get 5,000 kips worth of it. I need right there. Alright, so now we've got some of that we're gonna try in a bit. What else we've got going on? Sausages. One of my favourite desserts. Grab some of that later. We've got the chants going on inside the temple. Let's see if there's anything else over there. And around around the back, it's exactly the same. You've got your photo opportunity here. Look at this, beautiful. Again, absolutely amazing. People putting their candles in. Amazing. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so I'm gonna try one of these right now. Grab one of them. Put some rice. Lovely. All right.
Right and straw.
Nice thing. Very good. Hopefully not too spicy, eh? Pretty good. Yum, yum, yum. Alright, so we're going to go on to the next one. If you're wondering who this is Nang. She was a little bit shy, but you might see a bit more in the next couple of videos. But now we're going to get on to the next one, which is probably going to be the night market or another temple. We'll see. Alright, let's go.
The streets of Luang Prabang were a bit busier than usual, with the Loy Krathong festival getting into full swing. And the ride from the temple to the night market is always enjoyable, as you get to experience the mix of Lao and French buildings all mixed into one.
As you can see here, the parking to the market is a bit nuts. There are so many bikes here right now. I'll see where I can get in. So if you park here, these guys will take care of you. Just park your bike here and they'll take care of the rest. So here we are at the night market. To the right is the food part, which we'll go to later. Yeah. But for the meantime, we'll check out a bit of the market, see what's going on. We've got this lovely dress from the market too. Check this out. Hey. So yeah, we'll check out the market, check out a few more of the, as it's called, the Loy Krathong festival, see what's about, and just go through. As you walk through the market, there's going to be a huge variety of different things. There's going to be bags, handmade bags, handmade dresses, also like drawings. You can see them drawing themselves as they're doing it. Absolutely amazing. You know, anything they need is kind of handmade. You'll be able to find it here. I've gone through this market multiple times, and every time I see it, it just brings a smile to my face.
As you can see, there's a huge variety of different things, from spoons that are repurposed from bombs, handmade skirts, scarves, cool little bags, as well as many other unique items.
To the museum, however, unfortunately, because it's closing time, it's closed. But hey, I'll already have a quick look what it's like. So that was just a small snippet of what you can see at this market. It goes on and on and on for about 1 kilometer, and then you come to the end, and then at this other part at the end you come onto different areas. There are restaurants, there are bars. Really nice. It has the old traditional, if you like, the French style architecture. That's how it is. So I'll just show you a bit of that too now. Yeah, we're just coming to the end of the market. Just spotted this side street. It's got all these beautiful lamps above us, as per usual for the Loy Krathong in Luang Prabang. It looks like it's a side street with a lot of food here. Yeah, there's the food stores are starting to come out. We'll have a little explore, see what's going on down here. Alright, so the museum's just there, but we're going to be checking out the temple just over that way first, as you see up here. Ooh, it's lit up. It looks like it's pretty colourful. Ah, and this exploration's going well, eh? Look at this. Yes, you hear the chanting. You hear the chanting. Whoa. We'll go with this one. We'll go with this one first. Wow. They really did a good job here, eh? Wow. And this brightens you right up as you come in.
As I walked into the temple, I saw the absolutely amazing and beautiful display the Lao people created with candles lit up all across the floor, placed in different objects like flowers, animals, and more.
Look at this as you walk through. Beautiful wonderland. You like it, Nang? What do you think? Huh? I don't know if you heard that. She said it was beautiful. Oh. Ah. If you want the pictures, you're gonna have it here, eh? And straight into the next one. This light show, absolutely epic. Perfect place to take the perfect picture. Ah, so many people are taking their pictures around here. That's your big light over there. People that want the real experience, eh? Amazing, amazing, amazing. I hope you like this experience as much as I do. So as I step into the heritage Luang Prabang, it looks like it's a big ass market. As you see the side, there's little jams and stuff going on there. People are drinking their beers. Little one's getting a dress on right there. Got his little dress on there too. Hello! Cute little kid. That's a nice little explorer, eh? It's a big market, eh? It's a big market. She likes so much, does she? You're a bit shy. A bit shy, eh?
What is it?
I suppose I'll be doing most of the talking. That's the usual. Ooh, they've got little tasters here. Let's see what these are all about. So we came over to the other end because that one was really busy down there. Got a little bakery goods here. Oh. Test this one.
Yes, can.
What is it?
Pate.
Pate.
Garlic bread.
That's some garlic bread.
ก็ข้างหลังมันคือกันวะ
เอาตัวอุ่นบ้างตัวอุ่นยี่กี่
มันก็มีเนาะ
เลยเอาอุ่นให้
ปีกับหมีปีกับหมี
I'll come back for some in a bit.
ตัวได้เลยแค่
It's alright, yeah. I'll come back for some in a bit.
เซฟอันนั้นมึงรอดเขาต้องเอาอันนี้
Sweet. Got the sweets and donuts. Oh, I've got such a sweet tooth. Gotta get away from them. Cuba. Alba. always bubble tea. Sweetness with these Lao people. Always sweetness, huh? How are I? Which one? Cocoa. Alright, there it is, Cocoa.
ชานมเหมือนแล้วแต่ชาไทยชาเขียว
เอาสักเขี้ยวเจ้าหนูขันเขี้ยว
Thank you
Is it good? Me. Oh, that gets a 0 on my chocolate chart. Oh,
It is chocolate
it's way too sweet.
It's good
You know how people like way too sweet, man.
Why?
Too sweet.
Alone
Ah, man. That nearly killed me.
Not kill you
Nearly killed me, that
It's
sweetness.
good for me
No, it's not. It's bad for you. So I think the queue's way too long for the ice cream. I'm gonna go over to another one. Potentially there is another place. We'll see. We'll see what prevails. Oh, chocolate, man. Need to get that out of my mouth. Oof. Gotta find another one to get out of my mouth, man. Gotta get it out. Now we're back on the street. We're gonna see what's down this direction. As I said before, it's got the different kinds of, it's more French architecture on the sides. Yeah, down here is more restaurants, bars, and it's got that, I don't know, when you come to Luang Prabang, it has that beautiful effect, man. It has that beautiful architecture. Check this out. So these are some of the bars at night time.
Have a lot bar
There's quite a lot of bars.
So many
So where is this other temple?
Every temple have a festival today So big festival
After a long walk, we've come to the last temple, Wat Choumkhong. And looking at this, whoo, they didn't disappoint. Check this out. So that was just one part. I think we walked in the wrong part. We're gonna go down to that part down there and check what that part's all about. It looks like it's gonna be a bit more colourful. We'll see. She's absolutely loving that sugar. She's gone a little bit hyper. Oh yeah. There's the lights as per usual on the ground. Beautiful as per usual. Wow. Absolutely epic. I'll just show you right now. Check this out. just like every other temple. Everyone's taking their pictures. It's a picture fest. We did call that the last one, but I may have just found a more beautiful one. I don't know, it's just a little bit down from the next to the old temple. But yeah, the way they're doing this one, got the candles, more man. Look at the monk up there, the novice monk. He's put the candles up there. Just got to the last temple, Wat Sop Sickharam. Nang's just sitting over there. She's kind of done with all of this. I'm looking at more of this, and people are just taking more and more pictures. Right over there, we've got the monks. They're creating little hearts in the ground. Just there is a stupa which one of the novice monks was putting, you know, the candles on there. And the candles are just gone all the way around. It's super beautiful here, man. I keep on saying that thing is beautiful, but each and every single one has their own unique quality. I remember one of my previous videos, there was something like that. Each place that you go to has its own unique quality to it, which allows you to have a different opinion about it. Somebody? Yeah, one of the novice monks was like, what are you doing? I love this, amazing.
That was all for today. We experienced a lot of the unique Loy Krathong displays of Luang Prabang, as well as done a lot of walking. Now, the next day, we went to the riverside to celebrate Loy Krathong, as most couples do. The first thing we needed to find was a krathong that we could use to celebrate the moment together.
Alright, so it's day number 2, and in today's day we're going to buy in some floats with flowers on them, and going to get them to float down the river for, you know, Loy Krathong. Here are some of them. And the other. Why did you choose this one? Why this one?
This one for you and me.
Why you like this one? ทำไมชอบนี้
มันสวยก็มี2 สี This is it's red, it's green.
Red, green and white.
White, yeah.
Alright. So out of all of them, she got it because there was 3 colours on it. Bah. Bah. So you have the lighter? Fire.
We can do fire.
Oh, they have the fire. Let it down there. Okay. I don't know if you can quite see in the background right there. There's a one of the Lao flag. Has the different colours on it. Beautiful. All right, we're still finding a place to go down. Are you happy? Yeah.
Sure.
Can't quite see you. Watch this. Found a spot to walk down. Bye, God.
So the krathong she's holding there is a request to the goddess of water, asking for forgiveness for everything that's happened within your life, as well as thanking her for the use of water that we drink, cook, shower, and everything else we use water for. Next, she's lighting the candle to make our lives better.
Okay, look at the camera. I can get a screenshot of that. That is it. If you like this video of Loy Krathong in Luang Prabang, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the festival or anything like that, ask below. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.
In the next episode, we visit the Green Jungle Park, which is located around 16 kilometers outside of Luang Prabang. It was a nice experience to zip line across the jungle canopy, experience the beautiful gardens, the ostriches, and the loud traditional music. See you there.